Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Weebly website, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a contact form into your Weebly website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a contact form into your Weebly website anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business or a service-based business, generally you want a way for your customers to contact you to get a quote. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Weebly editor. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Weebly website, and this is the editor. Now here in the editor, if you want to add a contact form into your Weebly website, first on the top left, you're going to go ahead and choose the page that you're going to add the contact form into. Once you click up here on this drop-down menu, you're going to see your pages. So for today, I'm going to go ahead and add this page. Now, if you want a specific page as your contact page, you can simply just click right here, add a page, and you can choose the template, contact us, and then usually I'll add it to the navigation. Okay, once you do that, it's automatically going to create a page with a contact form, a very general, basic contact form. But let me go ahead and delete this contact form. I'm going to delete this section. And okay, so if you're starting off on one of your general pages, like I said, let's say cool cars. Okay, so in order to add a contact form, once you've chosen the page, here on the left side, you're going to see various sections you've already added, but scroll all the way to the bottom and you're going to see this add section. Once you do that, you're going to scroll down to the bottom of this menu and you're going to click on form. Once you click on forms, you can choose from these various types of forms: catering request, RSVP. For a basic one, I'm going to click here on contact us, and then you can choose the layout. So either words to the left or words on top of the form. For me, I kind of like this one. And once you do that, you're going to click into the section. Once you click into the section, it should be blue, and you're going to see a different menu here on the left. So if you want to gather more information in your contact form, you can click here, add a question, and you can add other data that you want to collect from your customer. And then you might be wondering, where does the contact form go after? Here on this menu here on the left, scroll to the bottom, and you're going to click on form confirmation. So this is the little pop-up that your clients are going to see after they submit their form. You can go ahead and highlight this and change this if you want. Now, to change where the contact form goes, the information, click on your form settings. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see the email that the information for the contact form is going to go to. It's going to automatically get sent out here. You can go ahead and just click in here and change that if you want. Okay, let me change the form confirmation. Thanks for all your... Okay, once you're done, up here on the top right, you're going to click on publish, and now it's going to go ahead and publish. So anybody who ends up on this particular page, they're going to have access to this contact form, so they can submit their information that'll directly go to my email. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to add a contact form into your Weebly website, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.